Hello everyone, my name is Akita. I'm a final year BDS student. I'm studying in M. Ambedkar Dental College, Bangalore, and I would this reviews for thanking Dr. Talia and Mr. Sheikh. Dr. Talia helped me a lot with my final third year final exams. She told me what to do, how to study, where to study, and the tricks ins and out of all the topics, and also before the final exam through the phone call itself. But she may help me prepare revision, a lot of revision again and again and again, so that I could remember, so that I can see right. And she told me all the important points. Mr. Sheikh helped me with my boosting confidence, telling me that I can do it. Both of them boosted my confidence a lot, made me study, made me realize that yes, I can do it. And I'm really, really very thankful to both of them for all their support and help and love. Thank you so much.